Since October 7th, Hamas has fired over 10,000 rockets toward Israel. Just for reference, that is more than the number of rockets fired by Hamas in Operation Guardian of the Walls and in Operation Protective Edge combined. Out of these rockets, which are fired indiscriminately with the intent to kill Israelis, many misfire and land inside Gaza, endangering the lives of Gazans. Remember the El Ali hospital that was struck by a rocket? It was a misfired rocket launched by Islamic Jihad, which killed Gazan civilians. When Hamas fires rockets from highly populated areas such as mosques, youth centers, and amusement parks, the risk for civilian casualties caused by Hamas is much higher. Let's put it into numbers. Approximately 1,000 rockets launched by Hamas have misfired since the beginning of the war and have fallen inside Gaza. Hamas must be held accountable for their crimes against Israelis and Gazans alike.